Welcome back to my channel Into the Oracleverse, where we learn about Oracle SQL, PL SQL, and Apex. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that needs to be followed to set up your first workspace in a locally installed Oracle Apex environment. If you haven't watched my previous video, I'll add the link in the info section. Do watch it and you would be able to follow this particular lesson in the right way. We have installed Oracle Apex 24.2 and we have the ORDS up and running. Next step is to set up the Oracle Apex admin part. So to do that, we'll follow a series of steps and I'll cover everything step by step. First, we'll have to connect to the containers terminal. Yes. And then we'll have to log in as Oracle user. And the password is Oracle. And now we'll have to navigate to the place where the script is present. So if you have watched my previous video, I would have shown what error would occur if this step is skipped. So I'll have to navigate to OPT Apex. And now I'll have to launch SQL Plus. I have to ensure that my session is connected to the PDB. And now I'll have to run this. Now I'll have to enter the admin status username. So if I have to make sure that it is admin, I can just click enter, or else you can type your admin name here, but I prefer to keep this as admin unchanged. And now we'll have to provide the admin's email. So I'll provide my email address here. Now password, it has to, so there is a rule that needs to be followed. So there should be a symbol, number and stuff. So I'll provide password $123. The instance administrator admin has been created. We'll go back to our Apex workspace. We'll click this and we'll have to provide the username. So it is admin. And the password is what we have created there. And yes, now we have to create a workspace here. I'll provide the workspace name as Oracle Verse. And yeah, description is optional, but yeah. Now should I reuse existing schema? Since my database is fresh, so I'll go with this. I can provide a name. I'll provide it as demo schema. And the password same. And I'll have this default space quota for now. The administrator's username. I can create an admin now. I'll create it with my name. Password is password $123. Finish. So yeah, and next. So now I have logged in as admin and now I am going to create a new user, or I am going to allocate or create a new workspace, and I am going to create a new user called Janish.j and make him as an admin to that particular workspace. So, and it has been created. Now I'll click done. I'll just open a new tab and localhost ORDS. Let me launch Apex and workspaces. And yes, so now I can change my password, but still I'll go with the same one. And here I am in the workspace that was created. Now I can build a number of applications here because I am the admin here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it with this particular video. So we have seen how to create an admin account, and then how to create a workspace and assign a particular person as as an admin to that particular workspace in a much easier way. So yeah. In future videos, we'll see basic and as well as advanced Apex concepts, and also in and around other Oracle technologies like Oracle database and
Drop
Oracle
in your
SQL,
thoughts in the comment
PL SQL things.
section, and
Thank you
for
so much
more
for watching.
videos like this, subscribe to Into the Oracle World.